Hey guys, it's Nitin here with PPC Keyword Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate image ads, and I'll do that by creating a campaign for the content network because image ads don't really make any sense in the search network. So basically we need to create a content network ad campaign, and this video is going to show you basically how the image ads get generated. So I'm just going to start very quickly by a campaign that I just created earlier. This is just an example campaign. It's not really a real campaign, but it's got all the elements for a content campaign, and I'm just going to go through that. First of all, for a content campaign, we need to create a set of themed keyword list, and the way we do that in PPC Keyword Tools is to have our list of keywords, which you see down here, and we want to separate or group each keyword with a delimiter, and in this case I've chosen the tilde character symbol. You can have any character as long as you specify the character in this text box, or you can even say that, you know, like I want to generate my group every n number of characters, so you choose this option. But anyway, this is more flexible. The delimiter is the tilde, and as you can see down here, I've got several themed groups of keywords. Okay, there's many groups here. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. And obviously you need to set up your campaign, so you can use DKI to set up your ads. Sorry, I meant ads, not campaigns. So you need to set up your ads, and here I have two ads set up. And one thing you'll notice is that when we're doing a content network campaign, the phrase and the exact match types don't really make any sense. They are not relevant for a content network, and therefore only the broad is checked, and you're allowed to specify the maximum bid price for a broad match type. Okay, so that's why these are grayed out. If you click on search, then these will become enabled and you can basically put stuff in for this. But anyway, we're talking about the content network. And now for the banner ads. So there's an extra option now for banner ads. So we click on the tab, and right now I have 3 templates set up, and you'll notice that when you get this version, by default I have 3 sets of banner ads that I ship with the product, and they're very simple. If you take a look at them, you'll see that this is called white red circle, and basically it's just a red circle with some arrows down here. Okay, so there is another video that I'm going to create which basically shows you how to create your own templates and how these templates are done. And just briefly, that option is here, image banner ad manager. So there's another video that basically shows you how to do that, but in this video I'm just going to concentrate on selecting the image ads or the banners that we need to generate dynamically. So let's go ahead and select a couple of these. So what I need to do is I want to generate a 250 by 250 square based on my keywords. So right now you're not seeing the keywords, you're just seeing this lorem ipsum thing, which is just defining the template, but we have a whole bunch of keywords here. So if we want to preview the banners with the keywords, we'll click on preview banners, and then we can go through each keyword like this. Okay, and as you go through the keywords, you'll see that the banner will show you the keywords. If it's DKI, then it will substitute the DKI for the keywords, and it will show you exactly how your ads are going to look. Okay, so you can see that there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do here. You can very quickly preview all your ads like this, and when you're happy you can select the ads that you want to generate. So for now, let me just generate 2 because I want to keep things very short and sweet. Excuse me. Okay, so what we've done is we've selected to generate 2 ads within this template, right? So it's going to generate 2 ads for every single keyword and every combination of the ads, right? So we're going to have a whole bunch of banners created for each ad. So there's 2 ads, and for each keywords there'll be 2 of these. So basically there'll be 4 ads per keyword. Okay. And okay, so let's go back to create campaign, and then we're going to go ahead and, oh, one more thing I forgot. Okay, we want to specify where we're going to generate these ads. So we click on the root node here where it says image banner ads templates, and then we're going to browse to a folder where we want to save our ads. So I've already set one up down here called dynamic banners. So I'm going to select that, and this is where my ads will be created. Okay, so let's go back to create campaign, and once again we're going to generate the campaign with the unique AdWords names, ad group name, sorry. Okay, done. And now we close this and we go to export to clipboard. So in this section I have a new option here which says export banner ads to clipboard. So let's go ahead and do that. And while you're doing that, you can actually manipulate the quality of the ad as well. I'll leave this at 50% because the higher the quality, the larger the size of the image. Okay, so we'll leave it at 50%, and you can always take it up to a maximum of 100 or 99 as the case may be. Okay, let's click on export, and now it's exporting all our ads. And okay, so it says all your image ads have been created in the folder. So within the dynamic banner folder, there is another folder that's created which is your campaign name and then the word image ads. Okay, so this is what we want to do. And then under this main folder there's also subfolders for each ad group, and I'll explain why I've done it this way. And each ad group folder has the image ads and also an export.nn export_nn.csv file, and where nn refers to the number of image ads in that ad group. So it's just a very quick visual check, and you'll know exactly how many ads you have in that ad group. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that dynamic banners folder now. Let me just resize this so you can see it better. Okay, so I'm just going to go up one so you can see it excuse me, from scratch. So here's my dynamic banners folder, and under the folder I have another folder. So yoga 1 content image ads is the folder where all the image ads are. If you double click on that, you'll see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have 1 to 11. So we have 11 ad groups, and within each ad group we have, we'll just go down to the bottom, and over here it says we have 42 ads in this ad group. Now remember, Google AdWords allows a maximum of 50 ads per ad group, and that includes text as well as banner ads. So the sum of those two things cannot be greater than 50. Okay, and the current version of AdWords Editor has some bugs in there where it doesn't even allow you to upload, anything around, even around 50. You'll find that there's some problems. So anything less than 50, I've had some good results with 40 ads. So we're going to go ahead and try this. Okay, there's 42 in here, and I'm hoping this will work. Okay, so the export_42, let's just go ahead and look at that file, and you'll be familiar with this if you use PPC Keyword Tools and AdWords Editor. This is just a tab delimited file with all the information for our banner ads. Okay, so there you go. There's 42 here. As you can see here, there's 42 in here. So let's just close this down, and let's go ahead now and open up AdWords Editor.